That's what it comes down to, is the money, right?
I'm rolling.
Yeah.
So how's it going?
It's tough work. I had a great crew working up on the flatlands up there. Picked up hundreds and hundreds of pounds of nail so far, and it just never ends. We just need more magnets, more money towards the cost.
And you got Justin working on this. Has he ever done it before?
No, not with this.
Not with this.
But we need to take it back to our piles. We're greedy. We got monster piles over there that need to be picked up.
You can put together some kind of a proposal for us and then see if we can maybe help you fund it a little bit. I think that's a great thing.
All right. Well,
have we got a counselor here?
We do.
And pretty impressive turnout here, eh?
Unreal. It's great.
Well, I can tell you,
I
can tell you, it's quite a good investment. Each sweeper is about $900 worth of magnets.
Yeah. No, I'd be interested in that. I'm pushing that forward. It's all part of. Like we're all a team here, right?
Yeah. Just the more equipment that we could get, I could maybe get the guys who built my rig. Ironside manufacturing, they built my 2 sweepers, and maybe they could build some more.
Getting all those nails going to put you out of business, though, Justin.
Yeah, oh, it's all right. We need to clean them up.
Well, there's got to be a partnership.
How you doing, Paul?
I'll go do that other one quick here.
The young fellow wants to go throw rocks. That pile is just right over there.
Okay, I'll grab it quick here. Let's go right now, Chris. Okay.
So, yeah, it's really good community effort here, eh? And it's good to see Lori Thornus is also out here.
Clute was here too, and
good stuff, yeah.
We all got to pitch in.
Yeah, we were down at Old Orchard Road, and Denbo's there. We got 3 truckloads and 2 trailers half full. So we got a lot of stuff. I'm Chris Gadsden.
Oh, you're the Chris Gadsden.
Oh,
nice to meet you, Ken. Well,
I know that, Ken. I know that. I recognize you hiding behind those glasses.
Well, I try to hide, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm just shooting a bit of video here.
But yeah, as far as city proposal, yeah, we could talk.
Absolutely. 100%. 100% to stop by the shop or whatever.
Yeah. I can bring the sweeper to the shop so you can see what it's about.
Yeah.
It's huge. It's a great value to the community. We just need more of them. Like the Chilliwack River Valley could use a couple of them up there. Like it picks up gun tools like nobody's supposed to up there. And when they're stumped in the ground, no one's going to be out there. These just ripping right out.